Folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you. Now today we got a 16 kilowatt solar system with 4,400 watt panels, and I am here to start installing the flash feet. We're going to have modules on this roof, over on that far roof where I already started, and over this side on this roof. What I like to do is I've got that curtain rod adjusted to the length of the module and this piece of PVC marked right there so I can lay it out on the roof and actually see how the modules are going to sit. And I was able to put that first row in with about 12-13 inches off of each end and go row to row to row across. Now this last row had a 2-foot spacing because it was just been way too much of an overhang if I played another game on either side. Now you can also see I like to keep my modules down to the edge of the roof. The whole reason for doing that is so when the snow falls off, it falls completely onto the ground and not piling up on the roof in front of the module. So I took the same idea and went across the top row here, starting on this row, measuring 48 inches across. Second row, third row, and you can see I've almost got the fourth row done. Now, what are my tools? I got my 1/4 inch drill bit in that hole ready to go. And I use a tape measure to measure down on the shingle so you get a nice straight line every time. Something else I also do is I grab that hammer. Even though I've measured, I tap, tap, tap to make sure that I've got the stud. And that's highly important because right over here, this stud was 4 inches off where it should be. That's a little narrower than it should be, and this one's a little wider. But what are you gonna do? Now I use that scraper and the hammer to scrape up the shingles that the flashing goes under. And I got a little bit of caulk up there in case we've got an inadvertent hole that happens to miss a rafter. Well, I'm gonna finish up these 2 roof sections, get to this third one, and the one on back. Hopefully get her done today. Well, as we can see, I finished up. I got all 80 flash feet in, although I might need 4 more for the end of here, 2 feet out. Over on this side, got a bunch too, but I also need 4 more up here and 2 more down there. I got my tools packed up. I'm ready to get down off the roof for today. Of course, take tomorrow off, rest up from this stuff, but after dodging some rain today, it's sprinkling on me now. It was a little bit heavier earlier. We got done what we came here to do. Turbine Guy, installing a 16 kilowatt solar system, signing off.